into the trading day. Avinash Gorakhsakar is also with us. Avinash, it's a very active market right now in terms of the big movers and shakers. IT stocks are moving up. Tata Motors is under pressure, but I want to start with an ONGC news coming in a short while back. Additional windfall tax coming in on oil producers, and seems like it is something that the government will give serious thought to because they are battling high retail fuel prices, and there's only so much that OMCs can do. Do you feel ONGC could become a soft target, and this is a real concern for the stock?
No, I think, considering the kind of rise in crude oil prices and the way the government wants to actually, take out a little less pain, for the customer, I think clearly ONGC would have to foot the bill. And I think it's very clear, Deep, that in the short term, the stock could underperform. I think somebody has to foot in the bill, and we have always seen that upstream companies like ONGC have always come forward to share an extra part of the subsidy or maybe the extra burden. So clearly ONGC in the short term could possibly be negative, and I think this actually is slightly negative from the confidence building point of view, because in most of these PSU oil marketing companies or upstream companies, it's very difficult now for retail investors to take a call, because finally which side the government moves and how it affects their cash flows is something very, very difficult to predict, at least in the near term.
Those are live visuals, by the way, of the press conference of Gas Authority of India that's about to begin shortly. Avinash, how did you look at the numbers of GAIL? On all metrics, it was below par performance from them.
No, I think both on the operational front as well as on the bottom line front, numbers were definitely weak, and I think unless we get to know, what has led to these weak numbers, especially the transmission pipe business, what kind of volumes the company was able to sell in the fourth quarter, and what kind of growth numbers could pan out in the coming year. I think my sense is the stock will continue to remain weak until and unless we get a clear indication from the management as to what kind of growth numbers in terms of volumes are expected. But overall, I think a pretty bad set of numbers operationally,